Can you remember the adoption of the Paris Agreement in 2015? 196 parties agreed to limit the increase in the global average temperature to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and pursue efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. It was a diplomatic success. The transport and logistics sector bears responsibility for 11% of the world's CO2 emissions. So it must be decisive in its approach to its transition towards protection of the environment and the climate. GEODIS is committed to reducing its carbon emissions through a science-based approach and follows a concrete decarbonization pathway in compliance with the Paris Agreement. Since 2013, GEODIS has implemented emissions calculations in its operational tools. Our online emissions calculator supports customers in understanding the CO2 and air pollution impact of different transport modes. GEODIS approaches the decarbonization challenge in a holistic manner based on the 5 solutions areas worked out by ALICE, the Alliance for Logistics Innovation through Collaboration in Europe. There is no silver bullet, and all levers are needed to mitigate climate change. Freight demand needs to be managed and optimized to avoid exponential growth and unnecessary movements. Supply chains should be designed to combine the less carbon-intensive transport modes. Fleets and assets use should be optimized to the max and be energy efficient. And once energy use is minimized, shift to the lowest emissions energy source. At GEODIS, we are committed to reducing the supply chain carbon footprint. It's by collaborating with customers and suppliers, advocating for the environment, that we will be able to implement these solutions.